Regina ba yun? Regina ba yun?
Where's Regina? Where's Ray?
Thank you so much for bringing us this far. We are just a few minutes away for this grand show that we have worked so hard for. We thank you for sending us Maribeth, Ray, and Paolo. They have all contributed to make this a very special Dolaga. Many people have been commenting how cohesive, how united, how simple, and how spiritual our batch is. And really, it's not because of any single person's effort, but really God's grace upon each and every one of us. So, Lord, we'd like to thank you and offer to you this one last dance for all the blessings you have showered on us as a batch. Truly, you have been faithful, and the only way we can really thank you is to be faithful ourselves in our lives as we go home to our individual families, to our work. So, Lord, again, we give you back the glory, and we really want to thank you so much for everything, for this whole wonderful experience of your life. Until the Pearl year in 5 years.
Vivo Sala! Vivo Sala!
Pearl! Kaya pa ba, Maribeth? Kaya pa ba?
Sanay ka na sa amin.
Inuuba na tayo niya.
So marami ng senior moment. Ano yung laking ko?
Ala.
5 minutes.
Dahil.
Kailangan mo yung music. Wiping lipstick. Sharon, di ba yun? Your sister, what's her name? Video. See you at Pearl. Oh my God. See you later.
Oo nga. Sige. Good luck. Good luck. Cheers, everybody. Cheers.